guys, it's Ron and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another vlog. And for today's video, disclaimer lang guys. So alam ko marami nang gumawa ng ganitong klaseng video, but for today's video, gagawa po ako ng DIY lip tints. So without further ado, let's get started! Diba? Mukha siyang legit na lip tint. So, yun guys, 3 steps lang ang kailangan nyong gawin. And may lip tint na kayo. Sobrang ganda nyo sa face. So, take note pa. 10 pesos lang ang magagastos nyo. Yes, you heard it right. Sobrang mura. Legit tignan. Oh, diba? So, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to notify you every time I post a new one. And I love you guys. I love you guys as always.